Hello friends, today we will discuss about Ciena 400G WaveLogic AI MOTR card. So you can see here in the picture, this is the physical presentation or physical view of Ciena 400G WaveLogic AI MOTR card. This is the physical view, means the WaveLogic AI MOTR card 400G looks like this. So there are two variants of 400G WaveLogic AI MOTR card. The first variant is WLAI MOTR with 4 cross QSFP28, and the second variant includes the OPS, optical protection system. You can see here this is the spare slot which is used for the OPS. So the benefit of this OPS is that this card can be optically protected without using any additional hardware. So we will discuss in detail about this in the next slides. Okay, so moving to the next slide. Ciena's 400G WaveLogic AI MOTR card. So WaveLogic AI MOTR optimized for best-in-class 100G service density. It's a low power consumption. Ciena's WaveLogic AI MOTR are optical transponder and service channel interfaces that enable a more scalable and programmable infrastructure. Ciena WL-AI MOTR model has two variants. First is without OPS port. You can see in the picture there is no OPS port on this module. The second one with OPS port directly on the card for integrated optical layer protection, and so that is there is no need of additional hardware. You can see here there is an additional OPS, optical protection switch, is presented directly on the card. You can see here this is the physical view which you have already seen. So let's discuss about something special and something different about 400G WaveLogic AI MOTR card, which makes it very special and very scalable and programmable. So Ciena WaveLogic AI WLAI MOTR module has 400G QSFP28 slot. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 QSFP28 slot and one programmable 400G coherent line interface. You can see here one is programmable and that is 400G coherent line interface. Ciena WLAI MOTR model has two variants which we already discussed, the one which OPS port and the second one is without OPS port. It combines 400G QSFP28 clients and one programmable 400G coherent line interface in a single slot form factor. It operators can accommodate high-speed 100G services or OTU4 connection with an efficient pay-as-you-grow operational model with its pluggable QSFP28 client ports. WLAI motor can flexibly operate in any of existing 6500D series and S series self-configuration, from the compact 6500D2 to the half-rake 6500S32 configuration. So network provider can select the appropriate form factor to match specific capacity and power space requirement. The WLAI MOTR interface integrates Ciena's programmable WaveLogic AI coherent modem technology, which allows users to tune capacity from single wave 100 Gbps to 400 Gbps to maximize capacity for any distance. User can transport twice the capacity per wavelength versus 100G to 200G solution, or extend signals over 3 times the distance at equivalent capacities to gain significant economic savings. Different solution can be deployed for different applications, like 200 GB can be deployed for long haul terrestrial, 300 Gbps for regional applications, 400G in metro and data interconnection application, 100G for greater than 10,000 km compensated submarine links. Features and benefits. So it fulfills all application requirements with a single module that leverages a pay-as-you-grow operation model. Increase service availability with a variant that integrates an optical protection switch on the card. Maximize channel capacity for all applications with tunability from 100G to 400G in 50G steps. Offers unprecedented real-time optical networking performance data with the programmability required to make network more adaptable. So this is all about the 400G WaveLogic AI MOTR card. Thank you.